how high up I am, where I came from. Started from the bottom, now I'm here. I started from the bottom, now I'm here. Good view of the city of Bar-le-Duc. I can scout out some other interesting buildings and things I want to see. And of course, this is where I am, up here at the fortress. Gotta check out that building down there. I don't know what it is. You can always go higher, and not today. This is it. The flower game. Okay, this is how you go down. Gotcha. So you come down from the castle. That dome building way over there, the black top, I gotta get there. Been to St. John Cathedral already. This is a very walkable city. Very walkable. There you have it. Art museum and another museum. But it's Monday and people don't work in France on Monday most of the time. That's it.